Hey, this is Scott Rulon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be reviewing another crypto MLM company, this one called Finanex. They promise a legit 2.8% daily ROI, or perhaps it's a scam. So in case you don't know who I am, I've been on the internet for many years now. I've been a professional accountant for 33 years. And I know that the internet offers many opportunities to make money, but it also offers many charlatans who want to take your money right away and go and left you with an empty bag. So again, please like, comment, subscribe, or share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can receive future videos. Again, so let's start out. Finanex review, legit 2.8% daily ROI or scam? Welcome to Finanex review. I don't know if you'd be interested, but there's been a lot of buzz about Finanex, and I received some requests to review the company, so I decided to investigate. I'm sure someone approached you on social media or online about their passive returns opportunity, and now you came here to make sure it's on the up and up. The good news is I'm going to guide you through the company, products, and compensation plan so you can make an intelligent decision to join or not. When it comes to crypto MLMs like this, you don't want to make a bad decision. Bad decisions can cost you dearly in the form of time and money. So make sure you listen to this to the end and pay close attention. Now, before we jump to the heart of the matter, are you ready to learn a 100% legit way to produce an income at home? What if you could build a residual income stream that's in truth actually passive? So here are some of the non-requirements of this. The income stream doesn't require being on the phone all day, wasting hours of your life when people no-show, trading your time for money, having financial stress during a bad month, and letting someone else control your fate. An income stream that produces revenues every single month from a couple $1,000s to well over $10,000. So if you will look at my financial blog, myfinancialfair.com, I have some testimonials there about some people that actually earned money online. These were students of a place called Entra, as I have been in the past as well, and they're starting to earn a good income. So you could earn an income stream you could really build in your off hours and increase as large or decrease as small as you want to, without having to spend hours a day chasing prospects who do not really want to talk to you. So let's get back to Finanex. So we're going to review it. We're going to look at its products, how you make money with Finanex.net, investment plans, Finanex compensation plan, the cost to join Finanex. What are other Finanex reviews saying? Does the financial scam exist? And if you're tired of scams, listen to my #1 recommendation. So Finanex. Finanex is a company that specializes in crypto trading since 2016 with proven strategies. And they also claim to comply with national and international laws. So here's a quote from the company itself. We comply with all the applicable national and international laws, regulations, and conventions in the countries where we do business and adhere to good corporate governance practices. We value transparency in all transactions, complete fairly, and only do business with partners who follow relevant laws and comply with our company's requirements. Wow, transparency. That's the big thing that stood out to me here. So I actually want to know, or wanted to know, who ran this company. But guess what? There's no information anywhere about them. I did check out their incorporation number, 8240915, under the company Finanex Limited. Found out it was privately registered on September 28th, 2021. I looked at the domain, finanex.net, and found out it was privately registered on September 13th, 2021. And yet, in the quote from the company, they claimed it existed in 2016. Well, that's odd. Guess what? That was clearly a little bit of a fibber here. They do have one director listed under the New Zealand corporation named William Ryan. But don't trust anybody with 2 first names. Of course, that's a Ricky Bobby reference from Daytona Nights, so just a little joke there. So, no information on this person. Looks like a faker name. Regardless, let's take a look at the products next. So what are Finanex limited products? So here you can see a copy of their website and this bold claim of real relevance from Trustpilot. Okay, that's fine. So Finanex claims to be in the cryptocurrency niche and offer trading services, but I couldn't find any external proof of it. They offer no retail products or services, and there's little to nothing to go on here. You become an affiliate and then promote their affiliate membership. So once you affiliate, you can invest in the company and participate in earning a guaranteed return. Well, let's look at the investment plan and compensation plans. These are next inside of the Finanex review. How to make money with Finanex. Finanex has a couple ways to produce money with them. Number one method is for you to invest in the company on a promise you will receive a guaranteed return. And the number two method is for you to recruit new members into the company and start earning a commission. So they do have some investment plans. So looking at their investment plans, there is but one with Finanex, but you can drop up to $100,000 into it. Investing from $10,000 to $100,000, receiving 2.8% daily ROI for 60 days. So let's say I jumped in at $100,000, I would make $2,800 daily. Wow, wouldn't that be nice? And up to $84,000 in a month. You know, I'd be rich overnight if that were true. So the total after 60 days would be $168,000, which is huge. You would make a $68,000 profit in 60 days. So what is Finanex compensation plan? Finanex pays commissions on a unilevel compensation plan structure. Therefore, the number of levels you can earn will depend on your rank. In fact, I'm just going to show you the ranks. They've got ranks 1 through 20. You can look at these, especially on my blog, myfinancialfair.com, if you want further details on what the different ranks are. And so you can certainly see them there with the different bonus levels. So that's good. Hey, if you want to learn really how to earn $200 a day from home, you can look in my description field down below and subscribe to my blog. Or you can look at my Facebook group. If you'll answer 3 questions, I'll let you into the group, but we explore interesting financial topics each and every week on my Facebook Live. So you can earn affiliate commissions on Rank as well. And so they've got affiliate commissions 1 through 20 based on ranks. So you can see the different percentages here. I'll let you go through that on my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, if you want to look at those further. So what does it cost to join Finanex? As such, Finanex membership is without cost. Yeah, that's what that means. Absolutely free. But if you want to invest in the investment opportunity, you must invest anywhere between $10,000 and $100,000. Wow, that's a lot of money. What are other Finanex reviews saying? Well, currently most Finanex reviews are positive, but it always starts out that way. In fact, Trustpilot today is showing 4.3 stars with 233 reviews. So what that usually means is currently Finanex is paying out, but don't be fooled. That's next. So, do you think the Finanex scam exists? Finanex scam exists. What do you think? First, we don't know who runs or owns the company. Well, that's a red flag. Second, they are claiming their external revenue is produced through crypto trading, but I couldn't find any evidence or proof of it anywhere. Additionally, any company that could legally pull in returns like Finanex, they don't need an investment plan starting at $10 and a compensation plan. All they need is but a handful of investors, and they could become absolute billionaires over a few short years. So what's the logic here? Question is, why the positive Finanex.net reviews? Trustpilot shows a 4.3 stars for this company. but that's because it's paying out right now. Most of these Ponzi schemes start out paying and the reviews are good. However, once the recruitment trickles down and the company stops paying, negative reviews come in really quickly. I have literally seen this hundreds of times with all the crypto MLM companies that I've reviewed. So be careful. End of day, this company is using new investments to pay off existing members. That is the very definition of what we call a Ponzi scheme. I can't recommend it because once it does pull the rug, 99.9% of the investors will be left with an empty bag and no shoulder to cry on. So I wouldn't waste your time here. Now, if you're looking for something that's 100% legit and above board and proven, keep reading and listening on. If you came to this blog, you really want to actually know how to build a profitable business online. Yes? Hey, so I'm not sure it's for you, but in case you want to know, here's what happens next. We are offering a business course that helps you build any business online, including network marketing. If you are going to learn exactly how to drive your ideal customer, collect their emails, and convert them into buying customers without ever having to talk on the phone if you don't want to. If you go to my blog site, you can partner with me here to learn about this course. In fact, you can look at it for free. In fact, I have met the owner of this company. I met him back in August in Denver. He's a real person and he's all over the place online. So once you learn the skill set and the mindset, your resources can be limitless when it comes to building your business. Plus, every single person gets a one-on-one, that's over-the-shoulders advisor to make sure everything is being done properly. Hey, I've got a couple other testimonials here that you can look at. You can certainly see them on my blog here if you want to take a look. In case you didn't recognize this is ClickBank. So these are different people's messages by SMS, what they received. So certainly we have complete newbies who are just getting started and making their commissions online. And then we have students that have been with us for almost a year who are completely crushing it. You know what? I'm one of those students that have been with them for more than a year, and I'm doing great. So the digital economy is the #1 online business models for those starting out. Whether you've never made $1 online, you've been in this space for a while, but could never really make it, digital real estate is for you. By the way, just so you know, I am certain you will make the correct decision. There are other places you can follow me. You can watch me on Gab. You can join my Facebook group, Fun with Finances, where if you answer 3 questions completely, I will let you into the group. You can certainly subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. And today, guess what? You can even follow me on TikTok. So if you're tired of failing in business, then click here and take your game to the next level. So please take a look at my Facebook group. Take a look at my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, if you want to get to know more about me. In fact, I even have an authority page called scottrulon.com if you want to know who I am and what I'm about. Thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting that bell icon. Thank you so much for joining us. See you later.